Dr. Clarissa Hardy is an assistant professor at Lipscomb. She also is a researcher on a journey to help the fight against breast cancer. Hardy received a $660,000 grant from the National Institute of Health. The grant is the largest grant in university history.
And there's quite a long period between the time you apply for the grant. So we submitted the grant middle of February. We heard back from the reviewers in mid-July, I believe. And the end of June, mid-July, or the beginning of July. And then we actually found out that we were given the grant middle of September. So there's a lot of correspondence back and forth, but really the first submission began with, what's the research idea? What is the research proposal? What am I proposing to do?
Hardy's research aims to discover genetic factors that may contribute to a cancer patient's risk of toxins developing.
Studying a breast cancer drug, it has this chemical structure, and he had the hypothesis that this drug is broken down by the liver or metabolized by the liver into something, a chemical species that might be toxic to the liver. And so I got really interested in the project. I applied for a postdoctoral fellowship in his lab and received it. And so I spent about 2 years working on that project at the University of Washington with Dr. Sidney Nelson.
Dr. Nelson passed, so Hardy decided to continue the project research. She came to Lipscomb to the new Pharmaceutical Science Research Center. 3 students got to help Hardy in her research this summer. The grant will cover 5 years of research for her project.
The grant will support both my portion of my salary, but also research lab expenses. So research costs a lot of money.
If you would like to donate to Dr. Hardy's project or any other project that goes on at Lipscomb, just visit lipscomb.edu for more information. I'm Jessica Parsley for Elimination News.